you've established that, right, you move on to the other investment options. Now, there is no right or wrong when it comes to investing. I think that's very, very important to note. Okay, you'll never be, or rather, I would never listen to somebody advising me to invest in a particular stock, for example, or invest in a particular instrument. Okay, why? Because investment, is also something that should be held personal to you. Just take the time and learn the basics of investing, okay? And see how then it contributes to your financial goals, okay? You talked about treasury bills. I, for one, don't like treasury bills, but I like the bonds. I like longer investments because I already have my regular spending account. I have my emergency fund. So I want to put money for longer, okay? And right now we are seeing fantastic rates on treasury bonds.
There was a 15.8%. That one I just had to. I was just like, please tell me this is real.
Yeah, so we're seeing fantastic rates on that.
Yeah.
I think before that, there was one coming in at 14.9. There was another one at 13.9, which is very fantastic. Now, the problem is with bonds. When interest rates go up, the value of the bonds go down. So right now, if you want to get into bonds in the secondary market, the prices are very depressed. So people are not really selling. Okay, you look at banks when they're reporting their financials. You look at the line that reads bonds. They've really lost money there because the value of it has gone down. However, what I usually say is, even if the value has gone down, it's only paper value. You only lose that money if you sell. If you continue holding, exactly. If you continue holding, you might, get your gain. But anyway, you're getting interest on that every 6 months. Okay, so you could consider treasury bills and bonds. Now, a lot of banks. One bank I use in particular is Standard Chartered. They have offerings for foreign bonds, foreign shares and all that.
I use that as well. I think mutual funds.
Yeah, foreign mutual funds. Yeah. And they have a whole list. You can choose whichever you want and invest into those. That's also an option that somebody can take to look into this. Now, I'm speaking a lot about, bonds, money market funds, because I am not somebody who is big in real estate. I've never understood.
Because we're going to get to that. Trust me. Yeah.
I've tried to. I've really, really tried to. I've never understood it. In fact, some of the pieces that I got to purchase personally, just to ensure that they're not idle, I've planted trees.
So I can only imagine that's like maybe a principal amount that could have been somewhere, and like you getting your monthly payouts, even like you've just described from money market funds.
Yes.
Or it could be like your bonds with semi-annual dividend payouts, or even if it's just long-term with compounding interest.
Yes.
Like if you compare it to real estate.
Yeah. I mean, real estate is a different game that maybe I haven't quite understood, but it's okay. Another place I really gone into strongly is people tend to underestimate them, that they're really good.